Today I'm very, very sad because the hurricane broke my watermelon root. Do you think we'll make it? And comes and all that, and comes here. You think more will make it? You think we should bring it aside, or we should leave it out there a bit more longer? I think we should bring it inside. I'm sorry I couldn't protect you from the hurricane. I did my best to help you. Let's see if it's good. Let's taste the willer when we go inside. Had a very good knock. Do you hear it? Maybe good. It's maybe. We could try it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure in the hurricane you help it and not be like this one. And make sure roots won't be dead. Thanks for watching. Bye.